Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Cook with Chewa. If you're a new person here, I warmly welcome you. I say Akwaba to you, and if you're an old subscriber, thank you very much for coming back. And also, please, if you're a new person, don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, today I'm going to share with you how I make this delicious, soft, amazing bread. I bet you're going to love this. If you have kids with you, you're going to love it and they're going to like it too, and you're not going to buy any bread again. We are in the lockdown, and you can see making this bread in the house is amazing. Please don't forget to share the video, and if you are a new subscriber too, thank you very much for subscribing. Okay, I want to say thank you very much for all your support and your good wishes. So with this recipe, we're going to need about 1.5 cup of warm milk. You're going to use 1.5 cup of warm milk, and we're going to add um, about 2.5 teaspoon of yeast, okay, and also 1 tablespoon of sugar. You give it a very nice stir like this, and you cover it, and you just leave it in a warm place for about 10 minutes, okay, for the bubbles, for the yeast to be activated, or the bubbles to come in the milk. Okay, so with this, I'm going to add 4 cups of flour. I'm using bread flour, the soft one, but you can use any flour that you want, or all-purpose flour will be fine. And I just added about just a half teaspoon of salt to it, and I've also added 2 tablespoons of sugar to this. To this, I'm going to add about 1/4 cup of melted butter here, and also 1 egg to it. So I'm just going to add our solution that we made the mixture with the yeast inside. It has been about 10 minutes already, and I'm going to just give everything a very nice stir here. Okay, I like you all, and I thank you all very much for all your support. Okay, I'm amazed by it, and I say God bless you all for all your support. Okay, so we're going to give it a very nice stir here. I'm just going to try to combine it with my spatula here before I use my hands. So make sure that your hands are clean, because we're going to get our hands a little bit dirty here. Okay, I love this bread. I like it, and the kids like it. Actually, when I baked this bread, I think it was by 30 minutes later, I had to bake another one for the next day, because you can see the thing was fresh, and it was soft, and it was very tasty. Actually, I was amazed about the outcome of this bread, and I know you stay tuned. Okay, watch the video, the whole video, and you will see what I'm talking about. Okay, so you can see I have finished combining everything with the spatula here. So now I'm just giving it a very nice fold in my bowl here, just to combine everything, and everything has been combined already here. So I'm just putting a little bit of flour on my board here. I'm going to use my hand for the work here. So with this one, for you to know how long you have to knead your bread for, you have to just set a time on your phone. Okay, you can use your phone to set a time on your phone for about 10 to 13 minutes. Okay, and I'm just adding some little olive oil, or any oil that you have. You can just add some little oil to it, just to prevent it from sticking too much, and because you don't want to be adding too much flour to it whilst you are kneading it, because if not, it will just change the texture of the bread for you. Okay, so you just add a little bit of oil to it, and you just kneel it for about 10 minutes. Any 10 to 13 minutes will be okay for you, until that you see that your dough, or your bled, yeah, your I said your bled, wow. Your bread dough is quite soft. Okay, it happens. Okay, your bread dough is quite soft. You can see now, you can see it is quite soft and very sticky here. You can see very soft and stretchy. So now I'm going to add just a little bit of oil to my bowl here, and just cover it. You're going to just allow the bread to proof for about 30 minutes in a warm place again. Just put it in a very warm place. So you cover it um, with your rubber here, or okay, so you're just going to keep it in a warm place. So this, it has been about 30 minutes now, and I'm just going to take out the bubbles from it. Yeah, going to just take out the bubbles from it, and I'm going to we're going to just section them. Yeah, going to just divide it and just go on with what we have to do for our bread making to be successful. Okay. So I just divide this into another portion here, and I'm going to just use my rolling pin here to just stretch it a bit. Yeah, because whilst you're stretching it like this, you're just giving it room for it, going to have that fluffiness that you saw from the beginning. That's what I'm trying to achieve here. So just cut it. It's not actually in any order that you cut it, so you just fold it like this. Okay, you can see how I stretch it nicely. And because I took some time for me to knead the bread, the stretching will be nice when you take your time to knead. So you just fold it like this, or anyhow you can fold this. It will be all okay for you. Anyhow you can make your balls like this, it will be okay for you. So I've already prepared the pan here. I've already added the baking sheet into my pan already, and also I've sprayed it with some oil inside the pan. So you have to prepare your pan before you even start rolling your bread here. So as you can see, I didn't have any other way of molding this bread exactly. Okay, so you can see I've already prepared my pan. So um as I've shown you, I'll come back with the finished product. Okay, I will just come back with the finished product. So after some time here, this is how I got my balls. Okay, yeah, and I think one is missing there because all my balls, my pan was quite big, so I have one session there that I have to fill it later on or sometime later. So we're going to allow this to proof for about 40 minutes. So whilst this is proving in a warm place for 40 minutes, it's getting to that time. So I'm just preparing my egg wash here. Okay, you come and prepare your egg wash. So I will just add one egg and a little bit of milk to it. Okay, it's optional, but it also allows the shininess, okay, the bread to be shiny and beautiful. So it's been about 40 minutes, okay, 40 to 15 minutes now, and you can see our dough has proofing quite a lot. Okay, if you want it to rise more, you can leave it for about 1 hour. I think 1 hour will be the ideal time, depending on the weather condition of your place, at your place. Okay, but a warmer place will just rise it more. Okay, so we just covering it with the egg wash, and this is also going into the oven for about 40 minutes. Okay, uh, at 120 degrees Celsius will do, depending on the heat of your oven. So you can see our bread has come out of the oven. That was the session I was talking about, the messy session there. So let's turn the back and see how our bread back also went. You can see this is beautiful, this is beautiful. Okay, this is beautiful and this is tasty. It's very delicious. Please, if you like what you are seeing, don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, and also share the video, okay, please share the video and give us a thumbs up. Look at this, this is amazing, this is beautiful, and it is tasty. Getting this early in the morning with your tea or your porridge Okay, you will know what I'm talking about. And if you have kids in your house, like I have plenty of them here. Okay, I have got 4 kids, and coming with them, but this is even just a small thing for them. Okay, so I thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe and also click the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Thank you very much for your support and love. Bye for now.